really fine with you, baby. Even if I cannot